Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to copy messages on WhatsApp web, and all you have to do is to head on a what browser, which is cool. And then from here we are going to search for WhatsApp, and there just this website. It is just here above. We are going to tap on it. Only it's going to take us to our WhatsApp web application. So you're just going to follow the instructions that is here by tapping on the name settings. And add one talks about tapping on the linked devices and linked device. We are going to wait for our QR code to finish loading, or you can just decide to link with a phone number. And then once you've been given the QR code here, you're going to be able to log into your WhatsApp web here at the Chrome, which will show you something like this. Then from here, you are going to choose a chart. Let's see this chart. And if you wanted to copy a message in this chart, all we have to do is to just select the chart that you want to copy. Then you're going to tap on Control plus C, and then you can head on over to any other chart or just Control V and the same chart that as you can see on the coordinates can send you messages. So I'm going to choose chat, and then I'm going to tap on Control V. You see, I was able to quickly end I can reverse words in this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.